Hey guys, it's Joshua from Just Trade Balance Trader. So today I'm going to do the trade review on the trade I took on 22nd of October. Okay, so start off with the daily chart here. Okay, I want you guys to see my draw on liquidity. My draw on liquidity was here. Okay, the relatively equal low daily. Fuck the pronunciation, man. Okay, so the REL daily, very relatively equal low daily, okay, is also a 15 minutes relatively equal lows, and it's a daily BC high. Okay, so I was seeing for price to drop right into here. Okay, so why? The reason why is, okay, you can see price has been just in a range now. And okay, this is with hindsight how the Tuesday candle worked. Okay, so yes, my bias was wrong, but for this trade I was in profit, so we'll get into it later. Okay, as you can see, price has been just bumping off the rejection block here. Okay, so I'm thinking for price to go lower here. Okay, we did went to there on Wednesday. Okay, but I'll leave that for you to explore yourself. Okay, but let's get right into it. Okay, so now I'm stating my draw on liquidity was lower. Okay, so I was only seeing for lower price. Okay, but then as you can see, price came all the way down, takes out Monday daily low. So this was one of my concern as well. But I submitted to my buyers. Okay, as you can see, Tuesday was a bullish day. Okay, as you can see from here, it takes out Monday low and then it closed up above here. So as soon as Monday low was taken, so after daily low is taken, usually it's in a very discount. So yeah, I was just wrong in terms of my bias. Okay, but let's get right into the day. Okay, if you guys are interested in seeing my whole trade, as you can see, it's around 2 hours. Okay, I'll put up the link right there. Okay, so you can see how I manage my trade. So I sat there from 9:30 until around 12 p.m. So I did not push the button, okay, until 11:50. So I'll just skip right to the execution. Okay, so I'm trading the 11:50 a.m. macro. Okay, the reason is, okay, so as you can see, this is the 15 minutes chart. As you can see, price just from 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. I want you guys to have your attention around here. Okay, as you can see, price was pressing higher, supporting off the Monday daily low. Okay, so I did not participate in any upwards movement. Okay, so when price keeps on pressing higher, usually during the lunch macro, which is around 11:30 a.m., ICT was saying that you can hunt for the profitable positions, which is the longs. Okay, the longs was all in profit, so I'll just speed it up for you guys to see. Okay, so from 10 a.m, okay, so I speed up to here is around 11 a.m, so 10 a.m, okay, very ugly price. Look at here, 9:30 a.m. Okay, we have a opening range gap. It is a premium opening range gap here. Okay, as you can see, opening range gap here, and we just kept hovering below it. Okay, we just kept hovering below it. So I'm thinking, I was waiting for price to hit the opening range gap CE. Okay, right here, this blue line here, and then I'll wait and see whether it will send price lower. Okay, I'm not forcing anything on price, so we shall see. As you can see, I'm just letting it be. So we start with the 11:10 a.m. As you can see, 10:50 a.m. price just shot higher. So we just wait and see. Okay, we have decoupling also. You can see the Dow just moving higher, but the Nasdaq moving lower, and the ES not moving at all. So we have decoupling here. Okay, price. I'm going to show you guys the price touch the opening weekend CE. Okay, there we go. So right here, I'm thinking of like, I'm ready to see for lower price, but I'm not forcing anything on the market, so I'm just waiting here. So I draw out the weeks CE here, so I'm just waiting. Look at how the body's sticking right to each other. Very ugly. Okay, never mind. I didn't push any button, so now I'm going to go right into the button pushing. Okay, speed it up a bit. Yeah, speed it up. Okay, right here. I'm just waiting. 11:52. Okay, I have not entered yet. Okay, just waiting. See how I was looking. See, I was seeing here, waiting for price to get below 5-minute CB. But you can see the CE is still supporting price, so I am not pushing the button. Okay, that's why you see I did not push any button. I'm not interested yet. I'm really waiting for a displacement lower. Okay, it's lunch macro now. Look at that push higher. That's why I didn't lose money, because I was looking at all the averages. Okay, you see the Nasdaq also push higher, but Dow showing weakness, very good. Okay, just waiting. That's why guys, when you now put a position on, you never lose money. That's a win also. Okay, yes, I'm waiting for that CB to act as a reclaim fair value gap. Okay, so now I'm thinking price might do the last spurt of taking out sell sides. Okay, as you can see, this FIB is anchored on the week's CE. So I'm just waiting for the reclaim fair gap. Okay, 15-minute chart here. We have a order block here. Price might reach for it. I'm just seeing, but there's a wicks there. There's a wicks also. I measured it. Okay, let's go back and see what's the wicks level. Okay, as you can see, price did touch the low of it. Okay, so now this 15-minute week CE touched the CE of it, so it's already ready to move lower, but I'm just waiting, still waiting. Okay, nice displacement. Can you see that? That's what we want to see. Price just displays lower. So in my mind here, this whole up close candles becomes an order block. Okay, I'm not seeing for price to shoot any higher anymore. Okay, now I'm waiting for a CB to form, and I'm going to short. Okay, very clear. We have a CB plus VI here. Okay, that's it. Going to short. I'm just waiting now. Yes, because the risk was around 12 ticks. Okay, I decided to like put my stop loss on as soon as the trade is in. Okay, I just feel more safer like that, just in case prices spike up all the way. So I'm just waiting. So for this trade, I put on 3 contracts. Okay, 3 contracts is $45. $45 is around, it's less than 1% of $7,000. So I decided to take the risk on. So the risk was very small, less than 1%. So this risk is very good. Just waiting there. I'm in. Right there, I'm in. Okay. Yes, now I want, since price just touched the low end of that CB, this fresh new CB. Okay, I'm waiting. I want to see immediate rejection lower now. Submitting to my stop loss. That's it. Okay, we have that wicks. I'm looking at this wicks CE. I'm looking at the wicks now, so I want to see expansion lower past the 5-minute BC. Okay, I'm also looking at the wicks here, and I decided to take my profits maybe at around the CE of it. Okay, and now I want to see expansion lower. Just waiting. I'm just waiting. As you can see, this fair value gap, okay, it acted as a reclaimed fair value gap. Initially it was used to push lower, then it went past it, take out buy sides, and then it went past lower, and you can see price respected it right here. Okay, but I don't need any early entries. I was just waiting. That's it. So this gave me an idea that we might be going lower, and then this displacement right here, that one is the one that tells me that okay, we are going lower. Okay, I don't want to see any rejection because we are sitting above the 5-minute BC. I want to see just expand lower, or else I'm ready to take the loss. In my mind, I don't want to see these wicks get taken. Okay, these wicks here. So if price were to close above the CE, I would consider cutting by one position. But it did not happen. Okay, so because right here we can see that price keeps supporting off here, I am not really optimistic with my like my TP here. Okay, so I decided to take profit at the wicks there. Okay, right there I decided to take up. Just waiting on this candle. I want to see expansion lower. Okay, it's now or never. Okay, right there I decided to cut to take my profits already, because it's just one tick, so it's just one tick away. In my mind that time is like, what if it rebounds off and just continue going higher here, going back to here. Okay, so for me it doesn't matter. I don't need perfect exits, so I just take, it's just one tick different, that's it. I'll take it. Okay, now risk-free trade. So now the trade is risk-free. I'm just going to, there's nothing wrong. Even though if I lose this trade, I'm still in profit. So yeah, so now it's like, it's just risk-free. I'm just submitting to price action. That's it. Okay, as you can see, very ugly, and it should expand lower already, or else my idea is just wrong. And with hindsight, okay, the runner did not reach. Okay, the runner did not be in profit. Okay, I was allowing the 5-minute CB plus buy. That is my last line of defense for being bears. Okay, as you can see, I was stopped out. Okay, right here it should expand lower, but it didn't. Okay, never mind, we can wait and see for the trade to pan out. Okay, right there I will stop out. So but I was still in profits, $18. So it's a very good day for me. Trading is all about doing the right thing.